Welcome to our video series on the spiritual archetype of birthday numbers. Every day we'll explore a different number, uncovering the unique spiritual qualities associated with each. Stay tuned as we dive into the mystique of each birthday number. Have you ever pondered the depths of your spiritual identity? Spiritual archetypes are like lanterns illuminating our paths, revealing hidden potentials within. Each archetype plays a vital role in our journey, shaping our understanding and growth. Today, we delve into the mystery of spiritual archetype number 25, a particularly compelling symbol in the spiritual realm. What images and emotions surface when you think about the number 25? It symbolizes a quarter century of life, a time of celebration and reflection. As an archetype, it embodies renewal and transformation, like a tree that blooms anew after shedding leaves. It encourages change at our own pace, ensuring balance between past and future. With its roots deep in the themes of balance and transformation, number 25 beckons to a journey of renewed self-awareness. History whispers to us through numbers and symbols, doesn't it? The number 25 holds a special place in numerology, representing wisdom and spiritual insight. Combining the energies of 2 and 5, it symbolizes a balance of change and stability. Across cultures and time, this number marks significant moments of transformation and renewal, deeply embedded in spiritual traditions. Thus, the echoes of the past enrich our understanding of this profound spiritual symbol. Let us now hear tales of those who've been touched by the power of number 25. Eleanor found purpose, Michael discovered his creative muse, and skeptical John embraced spiritual insights, all transformed by the number 25 archetype. These stories vividly illustrate the archetype's potent influence on personal evolution. How then can we apply the wisdom of number 25 in our everyday lives? Begin your journey by meditating each morning on balance and transformation, visualizing symbols like a balanced scale or an emerging butterfly. Enhance this practice with evening journal prompts, reflecting on daily moments of harmony. Engage in mindfulness throughout your day to embody tranquility and adaptability. Incorporating these practices, we invite balance and transformation into our daily walk. Reflection begets wisdom, does it not? As we conclude our journey with spiritual archetype number 25, imagine how it intertwines with your life's crossroads. What paths might unfold? Do its stories and wisdom integrate into your reality, influencing your thoughts and actions? Reflect deeply as this knowledge shapes your spiritual path. May your reflections lead you to profound insights and growth. As our exploration comes to a close, what have we gathered on this journey? Discover and embrace the balance of archetype number 25. Thus, as we part, let us reflect on these insights. Carry forward the lessons of balance and transformation, and may your spiritual journey be ever enriched by the mysteries of archetype number 25. Thank you for joining us today. This series will continue with daily uploads, so make sure to check back each day. Find your birthday number in our upcoming videos to discover its spiritual archetype. See you tomorrow.